Kopili River flowing above danger mark. Several villages inundated. Devotees celebrate 76th birth anniversary of Guru Lokhon Ingti. 2 drug dealers apprehended by railway police in Bokajjan. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time with Margaret Terangpi. Now the news in details. The excess water released from Khandong Dam and the incessant rain had caused Kopili River to flow above danger mark. This had caused a flood affecting several villages falling under Rongkhang and Bitung Rengthama constituency. Here is a report. This is the second time this year that the villagers near Kopili River are battling with flood. It had affected several neighboring villages falling under Rongkhang and Bitung Rengthama constituency. So far, the flood water had expanded till Langlokrok area of Rongkhang constituency, and the Garo-dominated villages were seen to be the most affected part of Bitung Rengthama constituency. The affected villagers had to flee from their own houses to higher ground for shelter along with their cattle, utensils, and all essential materials. So far, no any aid from the government had been received by the villagers. Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. The followers of Lokhimon religion had on Thursday celebrated the 76th birth anniversary of Guru Lokhon Ingti. Here is a report. It is said that Guru Lokhon Ingti is the enlightened one who gave birth to the Lokhimon religion, a new sect of the Hindu religion. Every year, the devotees mark the day as Guru Chingduk Arani, or the day to pay homage and respect to the founder of the religion. The Dolamara Ashram observed the day jointly with the Dwarbaguri No. 1 Dolamara Bapuram Togbi Village Temple and the Dongjem Dowanpi. Devotees offered their honor to the founder of the religion in the morning, which was followed by singing of hymns in praise of the great priest. The event was joined by elders, youths, as well as children.
Nitum labang soja mek katalon ponang koke pinia bangke litum kurus lokonente handshake amhanang ke tekpen litum aphan pinia bangke lokonente handshake amhang tek lokupen litum labang so ningkarong kacipi pinia bangke kilun ke kan tekatum stamel lun ponang pok kan pon teknang po mania bangke Pachelai tekatum drama claim tekatum same pinia bangke claim lun ponang po kan ponang po pachelai tekatum kang nekan kame pini kaching chinging nang po ningarong chipi ponang po pusi litum kurusa lokonentian sex same litum han than tekang lo.
In the Koilamati, the Langsomepi Lokhimon temple also celebrated the day with joy. The whole event of worship was led by senior priest Joy Singh Teron. It was attended by singer Samika Teronpi, Langsomepi SGB Babu Teron, Gaumbura Bura Singnar, several priests, and more than 200 devotees.
Don't cheer long le drop lo posi pamu het penangana dun bangge dun los tame exam tuma dun pesidi tame nona bangge di methang audio ke set ke panai bega dun sini di rapan paklang kangtung pakai lalo bolo nasintu pensi Lokhi monar chu iji hempu kuru sarnangi.
It may be mentioned that Gurusar Lokhimon Ingti was born on June 16, 1947 in Bapuram Togbi village Dolamora Asna, was known by the name Lokhon Ingti. His parents were Balom Ingti Hensek and Katu Rongparpi. He was given the name Lokhimon in 1959 by those who followed and believed in him.
Kartu banage itu ma sengkan bang kami artu banji lasi pineng aksa si laso sang lenggendeng ban aru kibang ya sengkan aru se ki pathi bunyi bang kami itu kaci sek pon dulu lapen lason thak thak sini tum thang po kartu long al kami itu lason lo non thang po kartu koson se ki pathi koson ma lason thak thak sinon 16 June kami itu kartu kami pathi pon lo.
Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. Bokajan Railway Police had on Wednesday arrested 2 drug dealers and seized large amount of contraband worth several lakhs. Acting upon information received from its sources, the Bokajan Railway Police carried out a search operation. While carrying out search of the passengers boarding in the Jana Shatabdi train coming from Guwahati to Furkating, they recovered 14 soap boxes containing approximately 1.53 gram of brown sugar. Police say that the market value of the recovered drugs would be around 75 lakhs. In this connection, 2 persons identified as Mary Achumi and James Achumi of Dimapur, Nagaland have been arrested. The accused informed that they were taking the substance to Jorhat. An FIR was registered against the arrested persons and were taken into custody by Bokajan Railway Police under further investigation. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.